Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks, the channel where we explore the stories of visionaries and game-changing ideas. Today, we're diving into the fascinating journey of Jack Dorsey, the co-founder of Twitter, and how his groundbreaking platform reshaped global communication. Let's spark some inspiration. Number 1. Jack Dorsey's early beginnings. Jack Dorsey grew up in St. Louis, Missouri, with a deep curiosity for technology. By his teenage years, he was already developing dispatch software for taxis and emergency services. This early exposure to real-time systems would later inspire his vision for Twitter. Number 2. The birth of Twitter. In 2006, Jack was working at Odeo, a podcasting company, when the team decided to pivot and explore new ideas. Jack pitched a simple concept, a platform where users could share short, real-time updates. This idea evolved into Twitter, which launched later that year. 3. Why 140 characters? Fun fact, the original 140 character limit was inspired by SMS text messaging, which capped messages at 160 characters. Jack believed that brevity would make communication faster and more impactful. And he was right. Twitter became the go-to platform for concise, powerful messages. Number 4. The challenges and rise of Twitter. Like any startup, Twitter had its fair share of struggles. From frequent server crashes to critics questioning its value, the early days weren't easy. But Jack's commitment to simplicity and user experience helped Twitter grow into a platform with global influence. By 2010, it had over 100 million users. Number 5. Jack Dorsey's legacy beyond Twitter. Jack stepped down as Twitter's CEO twice, focusing his energy on other ventures like Square, now Block. He's also a major advocate for decentralized technology and cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin, aiming to revolutionize finance and empower people worldwide. Jack Dorsey's story is a reminder that even the simplest ideas can have a massive impact. Twitter started as a way to share updates with friends and grew into a platform that shapes conversations worldwide. What's your biggest takeaway from Jack's journey? Drop a comment below. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode of Startup Sparks. Until next time, keep dreaming big and sparking change.